Good day, grade 12 students. Another short story for the 21st century literature. We have a story analysis. This is entitled How My Brother Leon Brought Home a Wife. The story is narrated by Baldo, a young boy living in the rural village of Nagrebcan, La Union, Philippines. His older brother Leon, also known as Noel, is bringing his new wife Maria from the city to meet the family for the first time. Baldo is tasked by his father to fetch the couple from the town of the city and bring them back to their home in the countryside. As Baldo waits for his brother's arrival, he is filled with curiosity and anticipation. He has heard much about Maria and wonders how she, a woman from the city, will react to the simplicity and roughness of their rural life. When Leon and Maria finally arrive, Baldo is struck by Maria's beauty and elegance, which are unlike anything he has seen before. As they approach the stream, Baldo is curious to see how Maria will react. Crossing the stream with the bull is a challenging task, and Baldo wonders if Maria will be frightened or uncomfortable. However, Maria remains calm and even expresses concern for Labang, showing her kind nature. When they finally arrive home, Maria meets Leon's parents. She is respectful and polite, clearly waiting to make a good impression. Leon's father, who is the patriarch of the family, carefully observes Maria. He is pleased to see that she has gracefully handled the journey and the challenges of rural life. He recognizes that Maria is not only beautiful and refined, but also strong and adaptable, qualities that will help her fit into their family and rural community. The story concludes with the family accepting Maria into their home. She has successfully proven that she is capable of embracing Leon's background and that her love for him is genuine. Baldo, who has been observing everything quietly, realizes that Maria's love and determination have bridged the gap between the city and the countryside, bringing together two different worlds through understanding and respect. Autobiography. Manuel Estabilio Arguilla was born on June 17, 1911 in Barrio Nagrebcan in Bawang, La Union, Philippines. He grew up in a rural environment which influenced his writing. Arguilla studied at the University of the Philippines where he earned a Bachelor of Science in Education. He was a passionate nationalist and was actively involved in the Philippine Writers League. Arguilla is best known for his short stories, which often depict the lives of ordinary Filipinos and the beauty of rural landscapes. How My Brother Leon Brought Home a Wife. This short story is a part of the collection Rise and is one of his most celebrated works. Morning in Nagrebkan, another short story that depicts the simplicity of rural life in the Philippines. Midsummer, a short story that portrays the intense heat of the Philippine summer and meeting between the man and the woman. So these are the books written by the writer of How My Brother Leon Brought Home a Wife. The Fruits of My Labor, a collection of Argilia's short stories that highlight the everyday lives of Filipinos. Who are the characters? Leon and Noel, the older brother who brings home his wife from the city to meet his family in the province. He is the protagonist's brother and is deeply in love with his wife Maria. Maria, Leon's wife, is from the city. She is kind, understanding, and eager to make good impression on her husband's family. Baldo, the narrator of the story, who is Leon's younger brother, he observes the events and is curious about Maria. Father, or tatay, Leon and Baldo's father, who is a wise and respected figure in the family. Mother, or nana, Leon and Baldo's mother, who does not appear directly in the story but is mentioned as a part of the family. Setting, the story is set in a rural village in Nagrebcan, La Union, Philippines. The journey from the city to the village highlights the contrast between urban and rural life. The landscape is widely described with imagery of fields, rivers, and rustic scenery. Plot. The story begins with Baldo, the younger brother, waiting for his brother Leon and his wife, Maria, to arrive. Leon has brought Maria from the city to meet his family for the first time. Baldo is instructed by his father to take a long and less traveled route home, which involves crossing a stream with a cart pulled by a bull named Labang. As they travel, Baldo observes Maria and her reactions to the countryside. He is curious about how Maria will adapt to the rural life and whether she will be accepted by the family. Maria, despite being from the city, shows grace and composure throughout the journey. She expresses admiration for the natural beauty of the countryside and engages warmly with Baldo. When they finally reach home, Maria meets Leon's parents. Leon's father tests Maria by observing her demeanor and how she handles the transition from city to rural life. Maria passes the test, proving that she is not only beautiful and refined, but also capable of embracing and respecting Leon's roots. Summary: How My Brother Leon Brought Home a Wife is a story about the homecoming of Leon and his wife, Maria, to his rural village. This story is told from the perspective of Baldo, Leon's younger brother, who is curious to see how Maria will adjust to their simple rural life. Throughout the journey, Baldo observes Maria's calm and composed demeanor as they travel throughout the countryside. Maria's ability to appreciate the beauty of rural landscape and her warm interaction with Baldo demonstrate her adaptability and genuine love for Leon. The story ends with Maria being warmly welcomed by Leon's family, symbolizing her successful transition from city life to rural life. Moral lesson: adaptability and acceptance. The story highlights the importance of being adaptable and open to new experiences. Maria's willingness to embrace the rural life and her respect for Leon's roots show that love requires understanding and acceptance of each other's backgrounds. Next moral lesson is the respect for tradition. The story also underscores the value of respecting family, traditions, and the rural way of life. Maria's success in winning the approval of Leon's family shows that respect and humility are crucial in forming strong relationships. The power of love. The story demonstrates that the love transcends differences in background and upbringing. Maria's love for Leon allows her to overcome any challenges that she might face in adapting to a new environment. Cultural and familial identity. The narrative stresses the significance of staying connected to one's root and the role of family in shaping one's identity. The acceptance of Maria by Leon's family signifies the blending of different worlds through love and understanding. Thank you for listening, and that's all for today. God bless you all.